In this video, you can learn how to set up Facebook Messenger in WordPress website where your website visitors can chat live with you on Messenger. You will receive the messages in your Facebook Messenger or Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. So let's get started with the process. First step is to set up the Facebook Messenger plugin and get the code in Facebook site. And next step is to set up the Messenger plugin code in WordPress site. I have couple of Facebook page, some mine, some my clients to manage. So let's select our Facebook page. We need to click Settings tab on the left. We need to click Messaging tab. Next, on the right, we need to configure other settings for activating the Messenger plugin. We can edit the greetings text here, and we can also allow guests to chat without logging into Facebook with this option. Next, we can add custom colors to our chat window to suit our site, along with left or right alignment and other settings. Next, on this page, we need to add the site URL in which we are intending to add the Live Messenger chat plugin and save the changes. Next, we can either copy this code and manually add them ourselves in our WordPress site, or if we have a developer, we can add email here and send them code to install it. Now, let's head to our WordPress site and install this Facebook Messenger plugin code. Under Appearance tab, we can install our header plugin and install Facebook Messenger plugin code and install in it. We can search for this plugin by WP Beginner, install and activate the plugin. Next, under Settings tab, we can find the header and footer plugin. Here, we need to add the code in this opening body tag or closing body tag box, whichever works best. We can refresh the site page and confirm if the Messenger plugin is working. And you can see it is done successfully. So now website visitors can live chat with us either as a guest or with their Facebook ID right from the WordPress site. We will receive the message in the inbox if we are not online, or we can chat live from our Facebook profile or through Facebook Messenger with our phones. And done with this video process, please like and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find the video helpful.